Okay guys, welcome back to the video, and today we are going to go look at some new cars to buy. So this guy has 3 different cars that I've been looking at and am into like buying. So 2 of them are beaters. 2 of them, I'm just going to say it, they're beaters. They need lots of work done. And the other one is in good condition. So we're going to head over there right now to go look at them. So we're going to go hop in the Focus RS and head over there. I got the Focus RS here, and this nitrous blue. And then we got these aftermarket wheels on here, which look really good. So let's head over there. Okay, so we have made it here to the house. So he said he's got one of the cars down in the field somewhere, he thinks, the one in the garage, and then the one parked just like right back behind the house. So first we're gonna look at the one back by. Okay, so here it is. It's right back here. Not sure if you can tell or not, but it is a 2008 Mazda RX8. It's in like this brown color. I don't know. No, it's silver. It's just a little dirty because it's been sitting back here for a couple weeks, and so I think I'm gonna paint it once I fix it up. But, so, I'm just gonna fire it up and see if you guys can tell. Okay, so not sure. Not sure if you guys can tell or not, but the motor's blown on here. Oof, I don't even want to drive it because of how bad it is. But let's just kind of coaster up here where there's a little more light so we can see it better. The sun should come up soon. And right up here. So, you can't really see, but there's a little smoke right here coming out the front engine right there. Little smoke coming out from the other side. So the motor is completely blown. He said he was on the track one time and he just pushed it too hard and hit the rev limiter and it blew. I mean, they got rotary engines, so they're gonna blow up, but yeah, that's just puffs of gray smoke funneling out the exhaust, like, oof. And then look up here at the engine, you can see it a little better now, all that gray smoke. The engine, the hood's like busted up, because when the engine blew, it kind of shot itself off the carrier. get some work done on this car. Brake lights are good, except that one there is like a reverse light. But besides that, the car's not in too bad of a condition. Now we are going to do a whole bunch of body work just to make it look better. I'm going to spoil it for you. We are going to do a wide body kit because the wide thing once said wide body kit. So we're going to do a wide body kit. And this car's going to look great. So we're just going to take it for a little test drive to the end of the driveway because I don't want it to blow up. So here we go. I mean, if you can hear that, that sounds like it's about to blow up. So we're just going to take it right down here and then turn it around and bring it back. I mean, that smoke is coming out the exhaust, so much of it. We're taking it right down here. If there's a plane or something. So we're going to take it right in here and actually handles alright for having a blown motor. I probably shouldn't be playing around with it like this. I don't want it to burst on fire or explode on me or nothing like that. So we're gonna take it back up here. I mean, like, that's awful, but we're working on it. It's getting worked on. It's gonna get the whole engine rebuild. I mean, the car's gonna be a whole different car when I'm done with it. Oh, and it's so slow. I mean, because it's gonna blow up, I'll probably be pushing it like I am. Probably should stay under 10, but I'm not gonna do that. I mean, it's almost just as slow as the 4Runner. And so that's it for this car, and then I'm gonna go walk back there and find the other car. Okay, so I walked way back here into this field and finally found the car. He said it would be back here in this field somewhere because he had this Mustang. Yeah, it's a Mustang. He had this Mustang, and then he just like quit using it and driving it after he got the RX8, and then the RX8 blew, and he was like, oh, I forgot about the Mustang, and he went out here to find it, and it was in this condition, which is not good condition at all, and tried starting her up, and she just didn't want to start. So got her to start, but she barely starts and barely runs. And he just said he's gonna get him a new Mustang and sell the RX8. He's either gonna get him a new Mustang or a new Corvette. Sell all three of these cars and just get him a brand new one. So let's see about this. Okay, so, yeah, I mean, it hasn't been ran in a while. That's expired gas in it, so that's probably why it's smoking so much. The engine on here's not too bad. Yeah, it needs some work, definitely. But, I mean, it's nothing terrible, as bad as it was on the RX8. We just need to run some of this gas out and just do some routine maintenance on here. Let's take this for a little test drive. I'm not as scared on this. I mean, I'm sure some stuff is corroded and these wheels could rust off and fall off on me. That bumper up there is sagging and falling. We're gonna get all this body work, all this rust and stuff fixed. And then he's got one other car for us to look at. I mean, this car's dirty, but it's like a brown color anyways, he said. It's kind of similar to the color on my F-250. So he said it is very dirty, but it's a brown color anyways, so we're gonna wash it, and I'm definitely gonna paint this. I mean, the car's pretty speedy and even now. Mustang it into a ditch. It should be okay. I mean, it's already tore up enough, but that's just more work for me to do. And then got one last car, which is in perfect condition. Can't wait to see it. I haven't even seen it yet. I'm gonna see it the first time you guys see it. So I'm just gonna wait for him to pull it out the garage and show it to you guys. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, so here she is, and wow. So it's a C5 Tiger Shark Corvette with full built motor. You know, it's the Tiger Shark motor. It's got 1,000 horsepower. It does not have the Tiger Shark wheels on here. He said he put the lower trim wheels on there. I don't remember the exact name, but it's got pop-up headlights. And well, this thing's in ideal condition. He said he's just selling it for a new Corvette, and this was like his baby. He had this with the Mustang. While he bought it after the Mustang, after he had that, and bought it and still had it when he had the RX8. But this car is gorgeous. I mean, it's so fast. We're just gonna take it on a test drive. There's nothing wrong with it. I mean, look at that. Listen to this. I mean, that's pretty good. Whoa. I mean, good enough for me. This thing does need new tires, so he gave me a tire patch kit in case one of the tires were to bust while I'm taking this for a little test drive. Like, that's the only thing wrong with it. It needs new tires. Which, I mean, for me, if they bust. I mean, car is pretty good. Pretty good, I'd say. I'd say it's good. Like this, if my offer goes through and I end up pulling together the money to get these 3 cars. Yeah, it's got no horsepower, so it'll be the fastest car in the world, and it's gonna be insane. Thankfully, no tires popped, but I'm gonna try to pull together the offer so I can get this. Okay, well, I'll see you guys next video, and hopefully I'll be able to pull together the money to get these 3 amazing cars. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.